So today, I thought of addressing the fuel system, because maybe that's it. I don't know. Previous hose is cracked, so perhaps contaminant got in it. So I'm taking the old injectors out, getting them out of there, taking them apart, and putting them in a sonic bath. So it uses vibration and, desterilized water. So of course it doesn't cause any problems and cleans out the innards. This is all its outer casing and stuff like that taken apart. Then I have this set up so I can back flush it with some parts cleaner. So just hook that up, hook up a lead to the injector, go pss, pss, and just shove the old contaminants right back out. Till next time.